Prerequisites. As you can imagine, you need a computer, and Erlang and Elixir will run on most modern day computers. We're mainly using a Mac, but you can run it quite happily on a Mac, Windows, Linux, also things like a Raspberry Pi you can even run it on. You need a computer. You can't run it on a tablet like an iPad, so that's what you need. Installing Elixir. Well, Elixir really has one dependency, and that's Erlang. Usually when you install Elixir, it also installs Erlang at the same time. I'm not going to go into all of the instructions of how to install Elixir. The best bet is to look at the Elixir website for the latest installation instructions. This is the details. So you can see here, Elixir installation. If you're using Mac, you've got Homebrew. That's the way I installed it. Then Unix installations, Windows installations, and so on. And if you want to compile it yourself, there's all the details there. So go and check out the website. It's got all the other details. Okay. How do you write Elixir code, or what do you write it in? I use a text editor. Text editor is usually the best way of doing it. I use Vim, but you can easily use things like Sublime Text, Notepad++ if you're on Windows. People do write Elixir code using an IDE sometimes, so have a look at the IntelliJ JetBrains IDEA. There's a link in the notes, and probably need to use a plugin as well. Finally, programming experience. Well, I've kind of already talked about that in the About This section course, but you do need some kind of programming experience to do this course, and ideally some kind of programming in a language such as Ruby, Python, and so on. Okay, let's get on.